studying in standard 12th in Nalanda Vidyalaya, Morbi. Srinivas Ramanujan Iyengar, the man who challenged the infinity, was born on 22nd December 1887. He was a great Indian mathematician who challenged the infinity, and in his short lifespan of just 32 years, he invented more than 3,900 equations, which are very proved to be beneficial in solving modern mathematical complications. So today, on this day, his work is remarked as a great contribution to the Indian mathematical history. So on this day, I am present here to explain the theorem. The theorem is of Thales, which I have studied in standard 10 in 10.1, basic proportionality theorem. So I am first saying the theorem and then I will explain it. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in two distinct points, the two sides are divided in the same ratio. First of all, what is given? Given a triangle ABC. In which a line DE is parallel to the side BC and a line DE is parallel to the side BC which cuts AB at D and AC at E. So we will first construct line BE and CD and draw perpendicular EF and DN. EF is perpendicular to AB and DN is perpendicular to AC. So what is to prove? We have to prove that AD is equals to DB and AE is equals to EC. So first of all, we will take two triangles AED and DEB. So we know that area of triangle is 1 into base into height. So 1 by 2 base into height. So in triangle AED, we will take AD as base and EF as height. And in triangle DEB, we will take DB as base and EF as height. Why we have taken EF as height? Because this is an obtuse triangle and the length of the obtuse triangle can be only measured with the EF. So we will take the area of another two triangles, area of AED and area of DEC. This is also 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2 as it is. In triangle AED, we will take AE as base and DN as height. And in triangle DEC, we will take EN as height and EC as base. So we will get AE by EC. We will give it AD by DB as 1 and AE by EC as 2 and we know that the triangles between the two parallels, that is the triangles DEB and DEC, the area of these triangles will be same, as we know that the triangles DEB and DEC are like this way. So the area of both these will be the same. So we can write here area of triangle DEC will be same as area of triangle DEB. So we write this equation here again. Area of triangle AED as we have proved here that area of triangle DEC is equal to area of triangle DEB. So instead of DEC we can write DEB. And this we have proved here that area of triangle AED by area of triangle DEC is equals to AE by AC. And the answer to this area of triangle AED and area of triangle DEB, we got here AD is equals to DB. So we can also write here AD is equals to DB. So we have proved that AE by EC is equals to AD by DB.